but if there's one constant, it's the nude lipstick. It's a tricky thing though, because choosing a shade that clashes with your skin tone can do you dirty. However, the perfect nude makes your face look fresh and youthful. Hi guys, I'm Smriti and today I'm going to show you how to get the perfect nude lip look. Before I get into the video, go ahead and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and also ring the bell icon for further notifications. So before I get into the how-to bit of the video, I must say that the two things to keep in mind while picking a nude lipstick is to gauge your skin tone and choose a slightly deeper lip liner to go with it. For instance, people with fair or light skin can beautifully pull off pink and rose base hues, whereas medium and olive skin tones look incredible in beiges, browns and even a berry or mauve adjacent nude. As for deeper skin tones, there's a lot of room to play with shades ranging from creamy, dark caramels to rich cocoa. Now my skin tone is medium, so this nude lipstick combo is perfect for my skin tone. But feel free to tweak it as per your skin tone. The first step that I diligently follow is to apply a lip liner. Because the lip liner not only defines the lips and prevents feathering or bleeding of the lip color, but it can also enhance the shape of the lips and add depth. This is especially a must when using a nude shade. Go for a more natural shade, either a neutral brown or a shade that closely matches your natural lip. I'm currently in love with the Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner in the shade Spice Note. So to line the lips, first start at the bottom. Overdraw just in the center and follow the natural line at the corners and ends of the mouth. This helps to create a soft pouty look. Then draw your top lip but overdraw only at the cupid's bow, continuing to follow your natural lip line at the corners. This trick helps create a darker boundary so you gain the definition of your lips. Then fill in the edges with the lip liner. It will help push the centermost part of your lips forward. If you want to see a more detailed video on how to line your lips, then I'm dropping a link in the description box below. Go check it out. Lastly, rub the lips together to soften the lines. You may want to use your fingers to further blur the lines. Once that's done, time to apply some lipstick. This is what I'm going to use. It's the Lakme Absolute Matte Melt Mini Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Umbrella. Just keep your mouth relaxed, open it slightly and then swipe the color starting from the center. While applying, make short strokes and slowly work outwards. This lipstick is so rich in pigment, plus it feels super lightweight and glides on my lips like butter on a hot pan. As you can see, the finish is velvety matte, and having used this earlier several times, let me just say that this is going to stay put for many hours. Also guys, if you're looking for lipstick shades that suit your skin tone, then watch the video that's been linked in the eye icon on the top right. Next, to make my lips appear more pouty, because compared to my face, my lips are slightly smaller and that's okay. This is where the gloss comes into play. Let me show you the lip gloss that I've been loving lately. This is the Lakme Absolute Spotlight Gloss in the shade Creme Caramel. Instead of putting lip gloss on like lipstick, apply gloss only in the middle of your bottom lip, then rub your lips together. This adds the perfect amount of sheen while keeping the gloss from getting goopy. This has a gel-like finish, velvety texture and feels super lightweight on the lips. But the best part is that it is non-sticky. Now that is something I absolutely look out for while buying a lip gloss. Pair this look with a coat of mascara on the eyes and a blush that matches your skin tone for a flushed look and you're done. So guys, this is how to get the perfect nude lip look. Do try it out and let me know your nude lipstick shades in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video, subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel, ring the bell icon for further notifications, and I'll catch you in the next one.